Hi, Ben here with Pierre Driving School. Can I drive myself to the DMV Roadtest site? Can I drive myself to the DMV Roadtest site? Okay. All left, shoulder left. Now, folks, no, you cannot drive yourself to the DMV Roadtest site in New York City here. In fact, as you get to the Roadtest, you cannot even be behind the steering wheel unless the DMV is in presence, so you come in front of the DMV to get to the site. However, if you do want to do a lesson before your Roadtest, yes, you can while you're going to your Roadtest, but halfway through the Roadtest site, the exam instructor, whomever taking you, whether you take your own car or you're going to the driving school, as you get halfway through, you have to get off behind the steering wheel. The person who's taking you to take your road test must be the one driving, all right? And here, they can even discontinue your road test if the examiner suspected that you drove yourself to the road test site, because you're not supposed to be doing that, all right? Because oftentimes we have students that asking, can they drive themselves to the Roadtest site or doing a lesson to the Roadtest site? Yes, we can do all this, but the lesson gonna get done as we going through, as we're halfway through, we have to pull over. We take over the steering wheel and take you to the test. You don't want to get, you cannot be driving on the Roadtest, on the DMV Roadtest site, period. We'll get a fine for that, and you'll get a fine for that as well. And the DMV 100% will not allow you to take the road test that day. You cannot take your road test to the road test you cannot take your road test. You cannot take yourself to the road test without an escort. All right. Even you have your own car, it's not acceptable. You cannot do that. So if you guys let me know if it's different from the other state. But as far as I know, for New York City here, you cannot drive yourself to the DMV road test. You must be accompanied with a person that licensed, 18 years of age or older, with a person that licensed, and with all the proper document for the car. If you're going with a driving school, of course, you ain't got to worry about that, because the driving school 110% will be qualified to take you to your road test. But you personally cannot do that. You also cannot drive yourself to the road test site. All right, so I don't know if I answered this question correct. You can put in the comment below, because this question came in. If you're new here, I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School, and this channel we are all in about driving. So if you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. We answer questions here every morning on our first lesson, and we post it here 3 times a day: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And we answer all the lesson in the morning. All right, so let me understand that you live in. Can you go ahead and practice on the DMV road test site? But in New York City here, we cannot do. That's against the DMV policy, and you cannot take yourself there. All right, so we're gonna continue with our lesson, right, as we do as always. And if you guys have questions, let me know in the comment below. And we want to thank you guys for broadening up the library of videos for Pierre Driving School, because based on the question that you guys been asking, we were able to deduct get a lot of videos topic that allowing us to be able to share 3 videos per week and answering questions in the morning. We want to thank you guys for that. All right, so if you have any question, put in the comment below. As I'm going through my left and right, if you see I'm missing anything, you guys can enlighten me, because nobody can see better but you. As you're sitting there, there's stuff that I may be missing. Since I'm driving here in the street, there's a lot for me to pay attention with. All right, let's continue with our lesson. We're making a right turn at the light here. As always, we'll do mirror right, shoulder right, make the turn. For the purpose of the road test, whatever we do, we must signal all of our attention and verify, make sure that it's clear. All right, when we stop, we like to see the tire of the car in front of us touching the ground. Otherwise, we follow too close. As you're driving, you're always forward planning all your moves, okay? You're always forward planning all your moves. Okay, car is moving to the left. This guy's going around and the light is blinking. Cover my brake, signal all my attention. And cover my brake coming back again, signal all my attention. For the purpose of the road test, whatever you do, you signal all of your attention. In real life, you're probably retarded because it's too much signaling. But for the road test, you must signal every move that you're doing that contrary from going straight. Anything that deviating you from route. Let me know in the state that you live in if it's the same thing here, but it should be, because driving is driving wherever you are. The rules may be different, but the observation, the safety measure shouldn't be different. All right, they should be the same. They should be standard, in other words. All right, we're going straight across here. Traffic is moving likely. Signal the attention to the left. Mirror left, shoulder left, and we're going around. And we're coming back the same way. But now I'm going to show you some trick here. You guys notice that I didn't signal back quick, because you know why? You don't want to be crossing an intersection while you're signaling, because there might be a problem. People may think that you're making a turn. We're making a left turn here, this traffic light coming up. If you notice also, as I'm going around that taxi cab, I honk a little bit. Reason why? To let them know I'm coming around, for them not to just pull out. That may lead to trouble. You see what I'm saying? You're forward planning all your moves, all right? You do not just do things as you go, because when you do that, it may affect your road test, and hopefully can get you into trouble. Not trouble, just have to do the road test again with the DMV road test type, with the DMV examiner, of which we don't have time for. At the light here, we're gonna make a left turn here. Light is blinking. Is it in our favor? Yes, it is. Okay, still looking good. Mirror left, shoulder left, and make the turn nice and smooth. All right, at the light coming up, we're gonna make a right turn. Mirror right, shoulder right, and make the turn nice and smooth. It ain't a rush, and fall right into your lane. All right, there you go. Paying attention here. Yep, there you have it, folks. All right, so anything you guys want us to cover, put in the comment below. If you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Everything driving, that's our aims. Until then, guys, you keep practicing. Take care now. Like, share, and subscribe. Any comment, put it on the description below.